Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Google Pixel 3 Slim Armor crystal case. This has the same technology as I was talking about the earlier Pixel cases, and also I am using the Slim Armor cases for my Note 9 and so for my iPhones. So this is the same one, but it is the transparent one. So why wait? Let's open this up. As you can see here, this is for the Pixel 3, not the XL. So these come with nice packaging. As you can see here, it has got no seal here, just wrap it out like that. So let me keep this aside. I have my Pixel here, so we need to put this in here. Let me check if we have any. No, there is no film here. Actually, there is always a film installed here, but in this case there is no film inside here, so we can go ahead and install this immediately. First of all, let me wipe this up. If you have a clear back, then it will be a good sign to, if you want to show off your color, then this is a good thing. This is a not pink version of mine. So first of all, what you need to do is push this first on the below side, and be very careful about it. Okay, and then slowly you need to push it on the top side. It's done, as you can see here. So I have installed the Whitestone dome glass here. So as you can see, it doesn't hamper the tempered glass here. It's working really fine. As I can see here, it is not at all pushing the tempered glass. Yes, it's doing really fine here. So we can go ahead and switch on the phone here. It's working fine. As you can see, the look. So that's all, my friends. This is the Spigen Google Pixel 3 military grade slim armor crystal case with air cushion technology. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below, and if you have any doubts about this product, I will be very happy to help you out. And as you can see, this is a very nice product. We have got everything here, good cutouts for everything. So thank you for watching, my friends. Do subscribe the channel. Bye bye.